English sentences. Ask and answer. Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. What are you doing? I'm cleaning my room. Are you busy? Yes, I'm very busy. I don't have time now. Do you understand? No, I don't understand. Is it ready? Everything is ready. Are you busy? Yes, I have a lot of things to do. Where's the pharmacy? It's near the supermarket. Where is an ATM? Behind the bank. One way or round trip? A one-way. How's business? Business is good. When do you get off work? I get off work at 6. Where does it hurt? Here. How's the weather? It's very cold today. Where would you like to go? I'd like to go shopping. Where would you like to go? I'd like to go home. Where are you from? I'm from America. When is your birthday? My birthday is August 27th. When are you leaving? I'm leaving tomorrow. Where's the closest restaurant? There's a restaurant over there, but I don't think it's very good. What's your name? My name is John Smith. What size? I'm a size 8. What time is checkout? 11:30. What does this mean? That means friend. What does he do for work? He's an engineer. Is it raining? Yes, it's raining. How tall are you? I'm 6'2". How old are you? I'm 32. How old are you? I'm 26 years old. How much is it to go to Miami? It's $17. What is today's date? October 22nd. How much money do you have? I don't have any money. What do you do for work? I'm self-employed. How does it taste? It's delicious. How much money do you make? $6 per hour. How much are these earrings? 52 cents. How much altogether? $11. How many languages do you speak? I speak 2 languages. How many children do you have? I have 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy. How is she? She is pretty. How far is it? About 300 kilometers. How are you? I'm fine, and you? Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Do you take credit cards? Sorry, we only accept cash. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak a little English. Do you have any vacancies? Sorry, we don't have any vacancies. Do you have a girlfriend? No, I don't have a girlfriend. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Are you sure? No, I'm not sure. Are you sick? Yes, I'm sick. Are you married? No, I'm not married. Are you ready? No, I'm not ready yet. Are you hungry? Yes, I'm hungry. Are you allergic to anything? Yes, I'm allergic to seafood. Are you American? Yes, I'm American. Are you afraid? No, I'm not afraid. And you? I'm good, thank you. Are they the same? Yes, they're the same. Anything else? Nothing else. What will the weather be like tomorrow? It's supposed to rain tomorrow. What time does it start? 8:45. When will he be back? He'll be back in 20 minutes. Who would you like to speak to? I'd like to speak to Mr. Smith, please. How much money do you have? I only have $4. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. May I have a look? Yes, of course. Do you speak English? Sure I do. What have you been up to lately? I am doing a lot of work. How come? I'm saving money for the trip to France. Are you good at cooking? No, I'm not. What's the address? It's 2235 Sun Avenue. How's school? It's okay. Some bits are good. What year are you in now? Year 9. Are you free this Sunday? Yes. What? Would you be able to come at 8? I'm sorry, I won't be free in the afternoon. Tea or coffee? Tea, please. For here or to go? To go, please. How do you like this one? It's very nice. Have you got anything a size bigger? Of course, let me show you. Is it far from here? No, it will take 5 minutes to walk. Is it the right way to the station? Yes, go straight on. Where are you going? Take me to the airport, please. Have you got that? Yes, I got it.